Hello from the virus. Apple may postpone iPhone SE 2 announcement due to epidemic. Coronavirus may force Apple to postpone the announcement of iPhone SE 2. Initially, it was assumed that the iPhone SE 2 will be shown on March 31st, but the situation has changed due to the shutdown of part of the production lines. The announcement may be held in April. The fact is that the plant in Shenzhen resumed production of some iPhone models, but the production in Shanghai is still standing, local sources say. Referring to former Apple employees and supply chain experts, Reuters reports that Apple engineers typically fly to China in the first months of the year to discuss iPhone manufacturing with partners like Foxconn. They probably now have one assembly line on which they try something. Apple engineers with Foxconn engineers? If they are there, they are probably making progress. But if not, if they are quarantined, it can be bad, said the former employee. The report said that Foxconn employees assemble a small number of devices, which are then subjected to troubleshooting procedures by Apple and Foxconn engineers. Delays during the testing period can lead to disruption of Apple's schedule for the purchase of non-standard chips and other parts necessary for mass assembly. A source from Nikkei claims that suppliers are 30 to 50% engaged, which could limit device sales. Allegedly, Apple has requested up to 80 million iPhone devices to be produced in the first half of 2020. Of this amount, approximately 15 million are related to some undeclared model. Apparently, the mass production of this model, the likely iPhone SE 2, was supposed to begin by the end of February, but due to difficult conditions it could be delayed until the end of March.